Rockers Room Radio.
Grooving nice and easy. We have the big bad Lutan Fyah in the building, joining us in the Rockers Room. Lutan, what go on, my brother? Everything nice?
Yeah, man, I'm good. I feel good in LA tonight. You see me?
Yeah, man, we're glad to hear that. LA glad for see you. LA glad for see you.
Don't it?
Ah, yeah. Straight. The missus, you had some questions. You had some key questions.
I did, because I recently watched a few of your interviews, and I was very happy to know that you were coming in to speak with us. So I wanted to prepare myself and, get some history behind you as an artist, and not only as an artist, just as a person in life in general. And I was very taken to when you were speaking about the representation of reggae as far as what it is now, and then what it is being received as from the modern new masses, like the youth. And so you were speaking how that some people don't have the distinction between knowing that, like, people from back in the day are reggae artists, and then the music that's coming up nowadays is like a modern take on it. Like, they were confusing Vybz Kartel and saying he was just new reggae versus knowing that that's the evolution of reggae, what is now dancehall. And so I kind of just wanted to piggyback and get a little bit more from you on that, because I was very taken to that, because here on Rockers Room we pride ourselves on wanting to have the right representation of reggae without being appropriated by other cultures and by other people, because it's okay to appreciate reggae.
You see, Jamaican music is coming from a very far. Like, it begins with our African music, Poco, Kumina, and them something, and then we come up with something like Mento. See it, and as time got, the evolution, as you say, we were doing ska music, and then we moved to the rocksteady music, and then the reggae music, and then the dancehall music. The evolution of dancehall music, dancehall come from in the 80s, where you man like Half Pint, man like Barrington Levy, those Junior Reid, those are dancehall artists.
Okay.
See it. But that dancehall music at that time, people would consider as reggae, as to how music is today. But them are dancehall.
Okay.
What happened in the 80s is when DJ start record song. People like Papa San, Lutan and Stitchy, Admiral Daly, and that era Super Cat. Yeah, that music was considered as reggae also, but a dancehall.
Because it was in a dance hall, or just because of the
reggae
content?
Is different. Reggae is different.
Because the content. Because from what I understand, reggae is like, I would say, the gospel of the Rastafarians.
Yeah.
No?
Reggae is a music that is created by a Jamaican poor black man. To, like, we were going through a time of struggle and a time of development, a time of people trying to educate themselves. And across the world, it was what you call Second World War.
Mm-hmm.
So people was traumatized worldwide.
Okay.
So through our suffering, we sing a kind of word, a kind of message, which is a part of people's life worldwide. So this is how reggae did bust. Because people, what we Jamaicans sing about, people, it happened to people worldwide. You know what I mean? So now, when the dancehall with the Super Cat, the Papa San, the Stitchy and the Admiral, people did consider it as reggae, the new reggae.
And what?
But reggae is what Burning Spear, Bob Marley.
Okay.
Toots, Culture, and these long time about Simians.
Right.
Okay.
That are reggae music.
And so what do you think about the youth that are coming up today, like the Coffees and the Chronics and Proteges? Are they, in your opinion, making reggae, or are they making the next evolution of reggae, which I
would say the next evolution of reggae. But if you check the music that they do, you find parts of the originals vibes in it. This is why I really like it still, because it can't be like 1970.
It won't, yeah.
It can't work. And then the youth that think like how people think back in the time. So with what they learn and gain from learning, you're going to hear it in the music. And this is an evolutionary march towards the absolute. You know what I mean? So it's going to change even from what's happening today. We have to just accept and work with it. Because the youth them run music forever. And ever since.
True thing.
Yes, true. Did not take away from the seriousness of this. Boiled or fried dumpling?
Yeah! I know eat dumpling.
No? Dang, okay. I had to ask. I ask everybody, boiled or fried dumpling. When you did eat dumpling, did you prefer
we
one?
used to eat a dozen boiled dumpling.
A dozen?
Cartwheel. Remember cartwheel days?
Big cartwheel dumpling them.
Yeah, we have dozen ackee and 10 pounds of flour.
And 10 pounds of flour. Okay.
Yeah, we used to have ackee.
What made you stop eating dumplings?
Because of flour that.
Because of flour that.
We
Okay.
eat flour.
Okay. Are you a vegetarian or a vegan or ital?
We call it, we eat ital, which is when I preparing. But if like me up on the road and my virgin prepare some, vegetarian spice, me eat it. But we not eat meat, no shape or form.
Good. That's good. Keep you clear. I hear a lot of creatives say that they feel lighter and they feel more connected.
Fresh, and we not feel craving. Like for a man, I not eat, I'm alright.
Yeah, oh, okay.
Totally.
Till now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I heard someone saying that they was drinking like aloe juice and stuff. I tried. I tried. Is it good?
To each his own.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Right. Well, I don't want to somber the evening. You have any questions, Mr. Crooks?
No, I just have a bag of new tune,
You do?
Yeah, man, walk with a bag of new tune, man.
I will say that we had decided a couple of months ago after some things that we were going to stop listening to the Billboard charts. And so reggae and dancehall charts have been charting you for the past, since we've been paying attention. And for the past 5 weeks, 4 of your songs have been in the top 10 that we've been counting down. In Jamaica.
Oh, yeah?
We use it every week when we come on here and reggae and dancehall charts. And so let's see. The last time we checked in, you were clocking in number 5 with Nah Held Him.
When you see them, no heal them.
And so we try to stay up to date with your music. So here's my favorite song by you, Nah Held Him. So here it is.
Rockers Room Radio.
I'm from long time. I don't just bad mind.
Yo, you're tuned in to KQBH 101.5 FM.
Some say them are your friend, and all I swear blind.
Like a Jankono Kumina kind of vibe. Mento.
Okay.
The original Mento vibe.
So we have to start looking up Mento. You said that's the one thing we gotta jot that down. Rocker note.
Yeah, man. Mento the original. I don't know if it's the original. I just said that.
If you listen Mento good, you hear a lot of African drumming style in it. And that was all we knew. African drumming. You know what I mean? So when you hear the instrument them now, you realize how we did learn through school of music and them something there in Jamaica.
Right.
Yeah, we learned it from the class. But the drumming natural. Me can't just play a drum.
Okay, just in here.
Natural.
Oh, okay. From our heartbeat. That's what I heard. It came from our heartbeats.
Yeah.
You have all different kind of drumming style. You have the Pokomina drum, you have the Revival drum, you have the Nyabingi drum, and you have the Kumina drum.
What was that second to last one? I think I've heard of that one.
Nyabingi.
I've heard of that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So Jamaican music is a compilation of all those sounds together. Plus what we learn from soul music and R&B and all of that. We twist up and put them together and tie it up.
Like curry and some coconut milk and some thyme. Depend upon the time.
That's why it's so sweet. That's why Jamaican music so sweet like honey. Because we mix it.
But sometimes it's really chanty. And I appreciate the chanty too because I love a good chant. I'm Native American and I love a good chant.
Okay.
Yeah, I love a good chant. Well, we have to thank you for coming through and passing through with your passing through vibes. We will definitely continue to support the team because that is what we do here at Rockers Room. Anytime you want to pass through, let us know. We are here.
Yes, I'll be passing through again.